You know, if you say today, okay, well, you know, is all the good stuff in the days gone by? This is one of the questions I get a lot from people who are just starting out and say, wow, technology's changed so much, last 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. You know, are all the great companies created? And the answer is no, not even at all. The truth of the matter is if you look at the technology industry, there's always a few big guys, some medium-sized guys, lots of small guys, and the names are always changing because the industry is so darn dynamic. And there's so much new stuff being invented. The way chips work is changing completely as we speak. You're able to get bigger and bigger displays at cheaper and cheaper prices. I didn't check this one out before I walked up here. Look, it's just a piece of plastic. It doesn't know a thing. I can touch it. I'm not controlling it. It doesn't recognize me and say, hey, Steve, stop beating on me. It doesn't see me, feel me, speak to me. I don't know. There's some song that sounds a little bit like that. But that's the future. That's where things are going. Today, you learn to speak the computer's language. If you want to write programs, you learn to write programs in the computer's language. If you want to control a program, file, open, copy, paste. Not get me ready for my trip to Stanford. My secretary is able to process that command. My computer cannot process that command. The kinds of things that are going to be invented over the next several years is just, to me, outstanding. And particularly for somebody who's got skills in software. You don't even have to be interested in the tech field. Software is going to change so many fields. It'll change energy, environmental science. The impacts of software will be broadly felt. So I'm a bit of a zealot on that as a particular expertise. But the chance for entrepreneurship is really, really high.